Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question number 12 based on gravitation. Students, let us solve the question number 12 from gravitation. It says that a projectile now a projectile is question is that the projectile is fired vertically up. Suppose this is having mass small m from the earth surface. Mass is m, radius is r, mass is 6 × 10⁻²⁴ and the radius is 6400 km. With a speed equals to 10 km per second, how far above the surface of the earth would the projectile go? Suppose it goes up to a height this one, but when this is the final height up to which it will reach, at that time the kinetic energy of the particle will be 0. So when the kinetic energy becomes 0, that is the highest point, and we have to find this height. So that means it is neglecting all types of energy loss. The total energy here and there is same. The total energy in terms of mechanical energy here at the time of projection is it is having some kinetic energy and also potential energy between the earth and particle system. So write that on the surface and the height where it will reach finally. Between these 2 points, that is the surface and the point, this is the height and this is the surface. The total energy I will balance. The total energy here is minus Gmm over r, potential energy, and kinetic energy is half mv square. Here only potential will be there, kinetic is 0, so minus Gmm over r plus h. So from here I have to solve h. So all the values are known to us, only h have to find. So I'll first put the value, get the answer, divide by this, and r plus h I have to separate. So suppose that this is my x, I consider this as x. So r plus h into x equals to minus Gmm, or r plus h is equal to minus Gmm over x. H will be minus Gmm over x minus r. So that I have to find and write the answer for. So first I will find this one. X is this one, so first find this one, because v is given as 10 km per second, that I have to convert it to meter per second. Everything is known. I will just help in one thing, that this m is also cancelling out, so you don't have to think of much about m. So without m is x now. No problem with that. Okay, because m will cancel out. So g is known, m is known, and x is also known from here. Put this value and get the answer. I'll just tell you, because this is only about the calculation part. Height comes out to be 2.5 10⁻⁷ meter. This is the height up to which it will go. Okay, thank you.